Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going on an exciting adventure to explore the world of rhinos, one of the most iconic and majestic animals on the planet. Stick around till the end of the video for some surprising facts about these incredible creatures. Let's start by getting to know our main stars, the rhinos. These magnificent creatures are known for their massive size, distinctive horns, and tough exterior. Rhinos come in 5 different species, each with its own unique characteristics and habitat. Rhinos can be found in various habitats, from grasslands to forests and even swamps. They're mostly solitary animals, but you might spot them grazing in small groups from time to time. Rhinos are herbivores, which means they primarily eat plants. Their diet consists of grasses, leaves, fruits, and occasionally branches. Despite their large size, rhinos are surprisingly agile and can run at impressive speeds when they need to. Sadly, rhinos are facing many threats in the wild, including poaching for their horns and habitat loss due to human encroachment. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these incredible animals and ensure their survival for future generations. And there you have it, folks, the amazing world of rhinos. I hope you enjoyed learning about these gentle giants. Make sure to watch till the end for some surprising rhino facts. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll see you in the next video.